That's right. Oh yeah, sensei. Nobody else, sensei. Yeah, sensei. Nobody else, sensei. Olha tumane. Olha tumane.
Hi guys. She looks splendid as always and amazing, and I'm gonna see us back here again.
Oh man, and the Sebate, your tooth are on fleek. Your tooth are on fleek. Unandu balapa. It's nice to be here. Oh, it is going to be a beautiful day. Look at yourself. And yeah, you look beautiful. Let's enjoy. We're gonna be introducing one of our favorites, artists. She's my favorite and award-winning. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Nokundamo in the building.